Utilizing Xero accounting software in the UK is a straightforward process, and today, I'll guide you through each step. Begin by visiting the Xero website and signing up for an account. Choose the plan that aligns with your business requirements. Follow the prompts to set up your Xero account, including entering your business details, tax information, and financial settings. Connect your bank accounts to Xero for streamlined reconciliation and transaction tracking. Tailor your chart of accounts to match your business structure and industry needs. Add or modify accounts as necessary to monitor income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity accurately. Create and dispatch invoices directly from Xero to your customers. Record sales transactions and monitor outstanding invoices efficiently. Enter expenses manually or import them from bank feeds and categorize them using your chart of accounts. Reconcile your bank accounts within Xero to ensure alignment with your bank statements, matching transactions with bank feeds and resolving discrepancies promptly. Configure tax rates for VAT and other relevant taxes, assigning appropriate tax codes for different transaction types. Utilize Xero to generate tax returns and submit them to HM Revenue and Customs. Review VAT reports to guarantee precise reporting and compliance. Leverage Xero's reporting tools to produce financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Analyze your business performance using these reports to make informed decisions based on your financial data. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and financial metrics to evaluate your business's health and progress over time. Invite your accountant or bookkeeper to collaborate on your Xero account, granting access permissions to ensure secure collaboration and data sharing. Explore Xero's ecosystem of third-party apps to enhance your accounting and business operations, integrating with apps for invoicing, expense management, payroll, and more.